connecting Mona to your Google Workspace account. First, click on your profile photo in the top right and select Team Settings. From there, select Integrations, and under Google Workspace, click Connect Google Workspace. Choose your email account you'd like to connect, and then click on Advanced, go to monaverse.com, click Continue, select All, or choose which options you'd like Mona to have access to, and click Continue. And there you have it. Now you're connected to Gmail. From here, you can ask the Mona agent to help you with any tasks across your Google account or Gmail account. So for example, I can ask it, "Hey Mona, what is my most recent email?" And the most recent one was the security alert from Google. Want me to check anything else, like unread messages? And you can say, yes, please check for other unread messages. Okay, we have a few other options here, including a note from Mona's founder. And it says, a welcoming note. Thank you for joining Mona, inviting you to reply. Now from here, you can actually ask the Mona agent to reply to any messages for you. So I can say, please draft a reply to Justin saying thank you. Great. Hi, Justin. Thank you for the warm welcome. I'm excited to get started with Mona and explore everything the platform has to offer. I'll be sure to reach out. The draft is waiting in your Gmail drafts. Review, edit if you'd like, and hit send. And then from here, you can actually click straight into your Gmail drafts folder, and it'll open up the drafts. And here it is. Hi, Justin. Thank you for the warm welcome. And from here, I can hit send. And there you have it. That's how you connect Mona to your Gmail to have the Mona agent start to read your email, sync data from your email to your Mona account so that you can use it later, and it can also draft replies for you. Another powerful automation here, once you've gotten it connected to your email, is you can ask it to check your email every so often and auto draft replies. So I can say, please check my email every hour and auto draft replies to only the important messages. Message me here if there's something you want me to look at, and hit send on. And there you have it. So you can set up scheduled tasks to run from the Mona agent chat. And you can even see here, I can check on these tasks by going to the Scheduled Tasks tab. It's actually off to the left, but the Mona agent conveniently included a link here for me. Hourly inbox check, draft replies to important emails. There we go. And so I can turn this on or off from the Scheduled Activities tab. And if I want to create a new scheduled task, I could also do so straight from this tab here with different frequencies and times.